No gym, no equipment, no money, just a small room and a body. Men inside prison cells figured out how to build serious strength with nothing. And these 6 drills they created? You can do every single one at home, right now, today. Hey, what if the most effective workout you could ever do required 0 equipment and 0 money? No dumbbells, no machines, no gym membership. Just your own body weight and a small space. Today, we are looking at 6 drills that were built in the toughest conditions imaginable. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you will have 6 complete bodyweight drills you can start using today. Each one builds real strength, endurance, or muscle, no equipment needed. I will also explain how to put them together into one simple workout. Stay till the end for that full plan. The background. Where these drills come from. Before we get into the drills, let me give you a little context. In prison, people have almost nothing. No gym, no weights, limited space, long hours with nothing to do. So what did they do? They got creative. They used their own body weight. They used the floor. They used walls. They used gravity. And over decades, certain exercises became known for building serious physical conditioning, even without a single piece of equipment. Calisthenics, the art of using your own body as resistance, grew largely from environments like this. These drills are not complicated, but they are effective. They build real-world strength, functional muscle, and mental toughness. Let's go through all 6. Drill 1, the prison push-up. The first drill is the push-up, but not just any push-up. The prison-style push-up is slow, controlled, and high volume. Here is how it works. You go down for 3 seconds. You hold at the bottom for 1 second. Then you push back up for 2 seconds. No rushing, no bouncing, full control the whole time. This slow tempo keeps your muscles under tension for longer. And longer tension means more muscle work, even with just your body weight. Men doing this in small cells were able to build serious chest, shoulder, and arm strength over time. The goal is not how fast you go. The goal is how well you do each rep. Start with 3 sets of 10. Do them slowly. You will feel your chest and arms working much harder than a normal fast push-up. Simple, effective, free. Drill 2, the wall sit. The second drill needs only a wall. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, like you are sitting in an invisible chair. Now hold that position. This drill builds serious leg strength and endurance. It also trains mental toughness because it burns, and it keeps burning the longer you hold it. In a cell with nothing, a wall sit could be held for minutes, and that kind of sustained muscle work builds real lower body strength over time. Start by holding for 30 seconds. Rest, then go again. Work your way up to 60 seconds. Then 90. Your legs will shake. That is normal. That is the muscle working. No equipment, no excuses. How many of these drills have you tried before? Drop a number in the comments. 0, 1, 2, or all of them. I am curious to see. Drill 3, the burpee. The third drill is the burpee. It looks simple, but do 10 of them and tell me how you feel. Here is the basic movement. Stand up. Drop your hands to the floor. Jump your feet back into a push-up position. Do 1 push-up. Jump your feet back toward your hands, then jump up and clap above your head. That is 1 rep. The burpee works almost every muscle in your body. It raises your heart rate fast. It burns calories. It builds endurance. In a confined space, burpees became one of the most popular conditioning drills because they need almost no room and give a full body workout in minutes. Start with 3 sets of 5. Rest between sets. As you get stronger, increase the reps slowly. You may feel out of breath quickly. That is fine. That means it is working. Push through. Rest. Go again. Drill 4, the squat hold and pulse. The fourth drill targets your legs and core together. Go into a squat position. Thighs parallel to the floor, back straight, chest up. Now, instead of standing back up, pulse. Move just a few centimeters up and down. Small movements, controlled. Do 20 pulses. Then hold at the bottom for 10 seconds. Then pulse again. This combination of movement and hold creates intense muscle fatigue without any weight. It works your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core, all at once. In small spaces, this drill was used to build leg endurance and lower body muscle with nothing but body weight and time. Start with 2 rounds of 20 pulses plus a 10-second hold. Your legs will burn, but that burn means the muscle fibers are being challenged. Stay with it. If you are enjoying this video so far, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel and takes you only 1 second. Drill 5, the Pike Push-Up. The 5th drill builds shoulder and upper back strength. Most people skip shoulder training at home because they think they need weights. But the Pike Push-Up changes that. Here's how to do it. Start in a push-up position. Now walk your feet toward your hands until your body forms an upside-down V shape. Hips high, head facing down. From this position, bend your elbows and lower the top of your head toward the floor. Then push back up. That downward angle shifts the pressure from your chest to your shoulders and upper arms. This is one of the best equipment-free shoulder exercises available. Start with 3 sets of 8 reps. Go slow. Keep your core tight. Let your shoulders do the work. Drill 6, the plank to shoulder tap. The 6th and final drill is the plank shoulder tap. Get into a push-up position. Arms straight, body in a straight line from head to heels. Now, without twisting your hips, lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder. Put it back down. Then lift your left hand and tap your right shoulder. That is 1 rep. This drill builds core strength, shoulder stability, and balance at the same time. The key is keeping your hips still. The moment your hips rotate, your core stops working properly. Go slow, stay controlled. Start with 3 sets of 10 taps on each side. This simple drill can seriously improve your posture and core strength over time, with 0 equipment needed. The full workout plan. Here's how to put all 6 drills together into 1 simple session. Do each exercise back-to-back with 30 seconds rest between them. 1. Slow push-up. 10 reps. 2. Wall sit. 45 seconds, hold 3. Burpee. 8 reps. 4. Squat, pulse, and hold. 2 rounds 5. Pike push-up. 8 reps. 6. Plank shoulder tap. 10 each side. Rest for 90 seconds. Then repeat the whole circuit once or twice more. 3 rounds total is a solid workout. Tell me in the comments, are you going to try this full circuit today or tomorrow? I want to hear your commitment. Let's go. Closing. So there you have it. 6 bodyweight drills, no gym needed, no equipment needed, no money needed. Just your body, a small space, and the willingness to show up. These drills were built by people who had nothing, and they still found a way to build strength and discipline. You have more than they had. So there is really no reason to wait. Pick 1 drill, start today, and add more as you go. If this video gave you a useful workout to try, please hit the like button. It really helps more people find this content. And if you want more simple, equipment-free fitness content, subscribe. New videos drop every week. There's also a video right here about a 10-minute morning bodyweight routine that may be perfect to pair with these drills. Take care of your body, and I will see you in the next one.